Hi, it's Thursday, the 23rd of July. As always, we're watching Euro Stocks 50, and I want to do a quick recap of the trades that I've taken today, as I've taken a few too many and a couple that represented a departure from what I usually do, and I wanted to make a note of that. First off the start, I went long. This is a common mistake that I make. I saw low volume coming in, and I thought this was going to be a range-bound day. The range was too small. There was no way that this was going to be the end of it. I went long, caught myself on 3 ticks, and I got out. Once I saw this level at 47 break, I immediately entered long and rode it until there was momentum. When it reached 40, 40 is the level that we're going to see come back into play again and again today. I bailed out. Then I wanted to take a continuation trade, so the next one again was a short. Spooked me out because of some buying orders that I saw came in on the DOM, and I bailed out at -1 tick and got fooled by the momentum, going short again at 40. Went my way a couple of ticks, and then the pullback that we were waiting for after the long move down finally came in. Now I doubled down on the 43, which was a point where before it turned, and it still continued going in the opposite direction I was thinking of. I saw the triple bottom here. I got stopped out at 47. That hurt. Luckily, I saw that this was a nice level to flip here at 47. This was the level that was kept before, and now the price kept on banging its head on it without much result, so I took a short and rode it for a few ticks until I saw it losing momentum. I thought we hit the bottom 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do it the 4th time, so I'm gonna go long. Took 2 longs. It wasn't too long before I realized that it wasn't a good idea, so I bailed out at 42 of both the contracts. And then I saw it heading again for that 38 level, this time with much more conviction, so I thought, let's go again short. And this is where something strange begins. Now, bear in mind, I'm still in Sim, so I can trade as many countries as I like, but ideally I will be trading 1 or 2 once I go live, simply because I want to start very small. Now, in this case, I had price going in my direction nicely. I don't know why I didn't take profits. I think at the time I was looking at the size of the swing, and I noticed that the swing before had 14 ticks. Where was it? There we have it. This at 14 ticks. So I was expecting this to be of a similar length. I calculated 14 ticks. Then I saw here it was picking up speed nicely, and I moved my order to get out, and that was the mistake. So I thought, okay, well, we're going to pull back a little bit. This is where price hesitated. Usually when you have a nice move down, price retraces a little bit, and then it stops where it stopped on the way down, if it makes any sense. So going down, it hesitated here, then it went down. On the way up, sometimes it stops where it hesitated before on the way down, and then it returns into its original descent. It didn't happen this time. So I shorted again here at 40, which was an area where we got hung before. It went down a little bit, and then we stopped at this 37. And this is where I started freaking out, because we retraced back to a level that was broken before, and now it's been bit again. That wasn't a very good sign for me. Nonetheless, I still had faith in the short, because looking at a slightly longer time frame, maybe, let's look at this. We were making lower lows and lower highs. Everything was pointing into the direction of another low, which happened eventually, but I didn't know it at the time. So then we started trading in a range between 37, 38 and 44. 40 was, and still is, the point of control for the day. At 39, we had a weekly, the daily VWAP coming down from 44 to 40. So I thought the conversions of these two would bring some pressure on the sell side, and combined with the fact that we had a step here at 44 where you have 10,000 contracts traded at 44 and less than a half traded at 45, I thought this was a good sign. I wasn't that confident in price going and revisiting the low, as we tried several times and failed. So I started playing the range, and I added contracts into that, so that price came basically break even at 38. And this is a thing that I've done today, I've done yesterday just with 2-3 contracts, and I've done in the past as well. It seems to be working out. It's, from a probability point of view, it's okay. I need to remind myself not to do it, purely because when I'm going to be live, I'm not going to be able to do this for real, because I'm not going to have as many contracts as I have available now. Here I traded 6 contracts short all the way up to 43, and they averaged down at 38. If I had just 2 contracts, I would have spent them here. I would have been spooked out when I got here and probably bailed out here with a loss of, I don't know, 5 plus 1, 6, 7 ticks plus commissions. That's not very good. I need to remember not to do that. Well, eventually price broke this 37 level again to revisit the low. Did so, bounced back, and I got a short here when I saw it stalling at this very nice 37 level. We broke, revisited, and then pushed it back down. That was a very quick scalp, couple of minutes, and I was out. And then I started taking shorts again, and here I did again. I started going short once, twice at the low, and I shorted again the level 29 where we stopped before, and I shorted again here 33 because we were getting hung, and I shorted again here at 40. Now 40 was the right level to short. All of these were just noise. We had a really nice push down, sellers exhausted, buyers coming in with big contracts. These were really not necessary. Could have waited for that 40, filled, and then it went down. Well, eventually, again, I brought this 6 contract, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think, all the way, selling all the way to 40, and then shorting again 36 and 35, brought the average down to 33, and bailed out. And no sooner I did that, price broke lower because this 32 level just broke down. Got a couple more shorts. This, I saw the level breaking. I took the elevator down. There were a lot of contracts being played. That was nice and easy. Didn't get out at 22 because I didn't see it. There was nothing to indicate that we would stop there. Rather pressed retraced, and then I got out a couple of ticks before the low. And then here it started to range between this 25 and 22. It was very clear on the tape as well, on the dome. Let's see if it's still here. Still here, 25, yeah, 23, 22. Here you still have 9,000, 10,900, 9,000 contracts. So it was chopping up and down. I thought I might as well take the final short. Alright, this is all for me. I need to remember to rewatch this video and figure out what is it that I'm doing by averaging up or down and then getting out. I think this is something that I've seen Big Mike doing, and I wanted to try it out myself. I need to do a little more research on this topic. But anyway, to wrap it up, I've added something that somebody posted in this thread suggested. So I started looking at levels again. And it was nice. We've had, what did we have? Well, the weekly VWAP held here at 63 before we went down. Then we visited the high of yesterday, got hung here, then we broke it, revisited, and this held. We stopped here. This was yesterday's open, I believe. Got hung here at yesterday's open, and I don't know. And this is the close and this is the open, so this is an area of confidence. Chopped around a little bit, and now we're here. This is holding, so So this is all been going down. Once this has built a little bit of volume, we see that this area is now holding the shorts, and this is where the last push down originated. So all in all, I think these are good levels to keep an eye on, and I think I will do so in the future. So thanks to Buddhist Jam, I think it was, that suggested that. Thank you very much. I'll continue doing that, and I'll keep you updated with the results. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you again.